Hi guys, this is Hassan. In this video, we'll be teaching you 12 jobs that I will never replace. Features. Learning is such an important aspect of our life that an over age we spend between 10 to 20 years of our first year doing just that. It is a tremendous social commitment and it shapes so many different aspects of who we are. It is a key stage in our lives. Teachers have a crucial responsibility in transmitting to us central values and essential concepts between the lines of the subjects that they specially teach. Teachers often represent a reference point for many of us. Often our academic decisions are partly based on how inspiring a particular teacher has been with us in the years prior. For all these reasons, it is the most impossible that we will have a fully digital teaching experience in the future. Lawyers and judges. These positions have a strong component of negotiation strategy and case analysis. A lot is based on the personal experience and knowledge of each specialist. It requires a certain set of skills to be able to navigate complex legal systems or argue in defense of a client in court. This is a human factor involved when it comes down to consider all the various aspects of a trial and take a final decision that could turn into years in prison. In the case of a judge, there are no types of profession that ever even the most law survey enrolled will be able to cover now in the future. Plus, when we will really feel comfortable having a report representing you in the court. Directors, managers, and CEO. Managing the entire team inside an organization is a matter of a leadership that this is not a stack of behavior that you can write down in code or proceed in a linear way. A CEO also the person responsible for sharing the company's mission and value down to the team. It is very unlikely that investors will ever feel comfortable investing in a company managed by robots or elaborated MS unless of course we get to the point of having the board invested in the future. Politicians. One of the biggest differences in the qualities humans have versus machines or are is that we are actually pretty good at coming up with the creative solutions for uncertain circumstances, and politicians need to master the skill with better or worse result. We have seen this very recently due to the current pandemic situation, how the decision certain leaders took have had a very profound effect on the outcome of the spread of the virus. Would you really vote for a report to represent a large majority of human beings and human needs? Probably not. So politicians for better for worse or not liking to going anywhere. HR managers. Human resource managers cover a variety of very important tasks inside an organization. Hiring new professionals is just part of their prerogatives. They are also a key position inside the organization for maintaining the staff, motivate, acting early on signs of content and manage them if possible. All has been introduced strongly inside HR process lately, though more and more assistance from software in the filtering of a large number of applicants to job vacancies. However, not always a candidate that looks ideal on paper turns out to be best option in person. The amount of human skills required to be able to determine these factors is incredibly hard to program onto a machine. Headhunters requirements and HR responsibilities can sleep safely all who would not take their place. Singer. If you miss it, then yes, they are ready music or cherishly run by robots. So perhaps you would not state the same for musicians, but we can surely do it for singers. Fans adore the connection they have with their favorite singers, the emotion and innovations their favorite artist puts into the interpretation of the song all has no emotion, so it is very likely that it would turn out to be a very horrible monotonous performances. You can also find all produced music and lyrics actually, but the performance of a renowned singer will not possible to be replaced by a machine emotions of all human end of the day. Physiologists and physiotherapists although a lot of face recognition technology is currently being used to develop initial all counseling care support given the growing demand, mental health is very delight topic. Human touch is essential when it comes down to supporting people to seduce in their lives in all of the aspects then it can entire. In order to assist a human in that process, you first need to have a human experience. So no matter how system might become, let's say 50 years from now, these jobs are extremely unlikely to be subjected to complex and cyber-friendly with prosthetic faces. Priests and other spiritual figures. You might not be religious or not a firm believer in anything really, but spirituality is considered to be a basic aspect of the human experience and it has been so for many centuries. Priests, priests and other spiritual figures in general played important role in our societies, giving support and often education also to millions of generations before when schooling systems were not as well and when networks of emotion support were less easy to access. Spirituality is such a human intimate relationship with it that is almost all to consider possible that is future goals or all could enter to aspect of our life. Faith, empathy, compassion, and emotions are not something that will ever lay on the hands of non-human special figures army. Surgeons. For sure, technology has seriously increased the accuracy with we are today able to diagnose and detect diseases in any medical report. Micro-robotics also enhance the precision of the surgeon when it comes down to operation, enabling less innovation procedure. But being a surgeon requires the ability to connect with the patient or so many other different levels while taking a vast number of the factors under consideration at the same time. Experience, knowledge, and skill acquired throughout the years are also factors that need to be condensed in a matter of minutes during an operation. A human presence will always be present in order to take crucial decisions. So, if your mom is still insisting for you to study medicine this time around, you might want to listen to her. Alright, guys, that's enough for today. I will be seeing you in another video. Here, have a nice day.